Hello guys, this is Tech Master. So today I will quickly show you how you can reset your GoPro Hero session Wi-Fi. So if you want to set up the Wi-Fi, like you lost your password and you are not able to reset the Wi-Fi you are using to connect it to your smartphone and you are not able to find it, or you don't remember it again and you are trying to set it up but you are finding it difficult, on this video you are going to learn how you can set it up. So first, take your GoPro, and on GoPro you already know that here is the selecting button. Here, this button here is the button you are using to select anything you want to select. Let us say you want to select for something on your GoPro app or camera. If you want to select things, you can just press it. You can see it's selecting things that you want to do. So but what we are going to do here is very, very simple, and I'm going to show you what you have to do to be able to get this done, to create or reset the previous account you already have connected to your smartphone here. But now I'm going to show you how you can reset it. So how to reset it? The first thing, what you have to do is to tap on this button. So you need to tap it until you see no or yes on the screen here, on this little screen. So let's go. What you have to do, tap on this button here. So we are going to tap on this button. So just tap and hold it, tap and hold it, don't let go. Just keep on tapping it and holding it. You will see something that will pop up. It will say yes or no. So just keep on tapping it and holding it. You can see what pop up on the screen. You can see what is said, reset Wi-Fi. So what you have to do, you cannot select with your hand. Then you can move down here. You remember, this is the selecting button. So we'll come down here, and if I press this button now, you can see it move automatically to yes. So what I'm going to do here now is to click on this side section here that said on the enter button, which is this one here. I will click on that so that the yes can confirm the resetting. So once I click on it, you will see it will say resetting. So once it shows this, you will say Wi-Fi resetting, Wi-Fi setting reset. So I will click on that. So once I click on that, your phone have already started resetting, and now your GoPro is now able to connect to your smartphone. But to connect to your smartphone is going to be difficult and for you. That is why I made all the videos so all together, so that you know how you can. Now you have already restart the Wi-Fi, so there's no Wi-Fi that is connected to your GoPro anymore. So what we have to do, we have to come back again now to your smartphone. Now I'm going to delete this previous GoPro that we already installed here, the previous one that we forgotten the password. Now we are going to connect it to our GoPro again, because since we forget the password, we have already reset the GoPro. Now it's like a new one. You are going to connect it now to your smartphone. To do that, click on the section where it said connect. I will click on connect. So when I click on connect, it will start connecting. On the smartphone, on the GoPro Hero session camera here, what you have to do is to tap on this button screen, on this button here, this one at the bottom here, tap on it. So once you tap on it here, it's going to open up. It's going to open up something. So tap on it. So once it opens like this, click here, and you need to click here again to select. You look where we are going. When we get there, I will tell you stop. So you come to this section where you say apps, and click on this section where you say enter. So once you click on enter here, it's going to show you to input a particular code. It's going to be, this time that they are giving is going to last 2 minutes and 50 seconds, which is almost 3 minutes. So you can see, and the pin code is here. The pin code is, we are going to enter to make sure that our Hero session is connected to our smartphone. The pin code is 8356, yes. So what you have to do, we have to leave it here. And now we have to come to our smartphone here, and now we are going to connect our smartphone to our GoPro. So that is what we are trying to do. I will click on this one, we say connect to GoPro. So once I click on it, it will start displaying something like this, and it will start displaying searching for a camera. So we are just going to wait. And once it will bring you here to select the camera that you want, that you have, which is this one we have here, which is this Hero session. I will click on Hero session here. You see, is this the first time this camera has been connected to a mobile device. We will say yes. Is the first time? Yes. So once you say it's the first time, you can see what I just showed you. Like, you have to tap on the at the button of this GoPro and tap at the top to enter. You can see exactly what I told you. You have to move to the section where you say app. You click on app and it will start popping this up. We have a few times to connect this. I will just click on continue here. So once I click on continue, it's going to ask us to enter the pin that our GoPro app is asking us. So we are going to click on that. Sometimes it happens because of this. So I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn on my Wi-Fi here. So I will turn on the Wi-Fi. I think now it will work. So we just need to go back again and do it. I will click on that again. So we are just going to wait for that to be connected. So as you can see, it have just detected our camera, which is our GoPro camera now. So it's asking, it say you will find your GoPro pin displayed on the camera. So which is this one here that is displaying here. You can see the pin is displaying on the camera here. We have few times, which is 8356. So I'm going to type in 8356. So I've typed in 8356 here, and I will click on the section where I say pair. So once I click on pair, it's going to connect the camera, and it's going to ask for my password. Here is just the end of this video. So on this session, you can see what it's asking me here. It's asking me to enter a name and a password. So I'm going to enter a name. I will just say something like UH, and I will come down here. I will put the password. Let me say C. I will just put something like I'll just put Chris 9922. I will click on connect, and it's going to connect my camera immediately.